What is this land? Where are we?
Funny you'd ask such a question. Don't be alarmed, my children. It's a place of peace, and the matter of peace pertains to such an object.
How was that? What? What is that, and who are you?
That's a mighty fine question, my boys. For it is only the fruit of knowledge. Do you dare take a bite?
No. Well, don't eat food strangers give you. Like, have... Come on. I got this. You got this. I got this. You got this.
How does it feel?
No. Does it taste forbidden? Because that's what it is.
I'm less hungry for one.
Are you feeling...
Intelligenter. Ask me something. Anything. Go. Test me. Go.
Alright. Where's the sun go at night?
Next question.
Why is Mr. Olson so smart?
Next question.
Alright. What is normal distribution?
That is something I can answer. Yes! Hello, class. My name is Mr. Nostrand, okay? But it might as well say Mr. No Nonsense, alright? Because I do not play. Alright? So we're going to talk about today normal distribution. And, so, there's this chart. You can pause me, take a moment, write it down in your notes, that'll probably be good. But pretty much what it means is all of the data that you receive when, like, doing a survey or things like that are going to fit into this chart. So 34 and 34 here, so you can just kind of say 68% go in this big span. So like most of the data you receive is going to be towards the middle. That's like towards your average, right? This middle line is the average of all the data. Then it goes 13.5, 13.5, and 2.35, 2.35, and then the rest kind of just filters out, gets smaller and smaller each time. And pretty much like all of this ends up being around 2.5% combined. Same over here. Kind of ends up being 2.5%. So, doing a problem like this, we can do the one we did in class a couple days ago. We can do the cousins one. And we have all the data from the cousins, how many cousins everyone has. Okay, your calculator. There she is. Alright. So, finding the standard deviation, you can do it by hand if you really want to. I think it's easier just to do it in the calculator or for this purpose, just to, because we're trying to teach this. But so you put it all in. You can go to Stat and Calc, and then throw it all in. Stat, Edit, throw it all in, and then you go to Stat, go over to Calc, and hit number 1. It can give you the average, which in this case equals 12.43. And also gives you the standard deviation, which in this case equals 7.98. So, what do you do with that, James? It's a good question. Let me answer that for you. What you do is you put the average on this middle line. So 12.43 right here. And then you can add it and subtract the standard deviation for on each side. So you do 12.43 plus 7.98, which gives us 20.41. And you can do the same thing with that. Add 20.41, 7.98. That gives us 28.39. Then you can also go the opposite way, and that's when you start subtracting. So you 12.43 minus 7.98, and that gives us 4.45, and then so on. So a question that might be on the homework or on a test or something would be how many students have between 4.45 and 20.41 cousins? You can't really have 0.45 of a human, but you get the idea. And so what you would do is you add the 34 and 34% together, and you get 68%. and then you got to find 68% of 16. So you can just do that real quickly. 68 times 16. It gives us 10.88. We can round it up to 11. 10.8 is 11. And so 11 kids in our class have between like 5 and 20 cousins. And that's pretty much it. Thanks.